Good morning, guys. It's Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm actually doing a couple smaller grocery hauls this week, so there'll be another haul after this. I'm actually filming this on Wednesday morning because normally I've been going grocery shopping on Friday mornings, but this week, Friday, my son actually has off from school, so he'll have a 4-day weekend with Memorial Day weekend coming up, and we are going to eat dinner at my parents' house Sunday to celebrate my sister's birthday and Monday for Memorial Day. So 2 nights I won't have to cook. Well, I'll be helping my mom, but I'll be eating dinner at her house. So this is half of the things that I need for next week. I got a couple pounds of grapes. I think it's like just over 2 pounds. The grapes are like really in season right now. They're super crispy. So I got a couple pounds of that. I got some chips to bring to my mom Sunday for a barbecue, some pretzels for us. Grady really likes these pretzels, some Pringles, just the original flavor. By the way, this is all from Walmart. I got a half pound, or I think it's like 3/4 pound of sweet ham that I can use not only for sandwiches, but I also like to make like ham and cheese omelets. So I got some deli ham. Got a gallon of water for the coffee maker, Grady's plum organic applesauce, strawberry banana mashups. And then I also am trying a couple other little pouch things. I got this Great Value Walmart brand organic cinnamon applesauce pouches. And then I also got these Go-Go Squeeze fruit and veggie. This one is pear, apple, and carrot pouches to see if he likes them. Grady has about a month, a little less than a month of school left. But we are starting to get into that season, like on the weekends where we go to water parks and amusement parks. So I'm gonna have to be buying a lot more snacky things. I also grabbed some yogurt in the Yoplait berry and strawberry, which are the 2 flavors that Grady likes. He could care less about the princesses. He just likes these flavors. I got some of the 25% less sugar chocolate chip granola bars, which Grady likes. Very excited about these. Most of you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, I love hand wipes. Mainly for me and not just my son, for all of us. I always have them with me, like I have one in my car, one in my bag. My hands are just always gross, pretty much because I eat a lot and my hands are always like sticky and gross, and obviously when I go somewhere with my son I need wipes too. But these are the Parents' Choice, which is the Walmart brand. It says compare to Johnson's hand and face wipes, and these come in a 2-pack, if you can see. There are 25 in each pack, so there's 50 total, and they were like $3 and change for 2 packs. So I'm really hoping these are good, because I will definitely continue to buy them. I'm always, again, looking for new wipes and looking for the best of the best wipes, so I'm excited about those. Got a bunch of wet cat food things for my cat. Nothing too exciting there, and they are all in the chicken tuna flavor. I got some Thomas maple French toast limited edition swirl bread for like breakfast in the morning. Grady will probably like this. My husband will like this for breakfast. I got some bananas. I got some Vermont sharp white cheddar cheese sticks for Matt. I got some all day Dramamine motion sickness less drowsy formula, mainly for amusement parks. My son is in a phase now where he wants to go on like every single roller coaster, and he is actually tall enough for every ride now. So that means Mama has to go on the roller coaster. So I got these just to prevent any like nausea or motion sickness. And then I also got this for my son or me. It's the Motion Ease Motion Sickness Relief. And it's actually an oil. And you actually put it behind your ear. I've never even heard of it, but the pharmacist recommended it. It's kid-friendly, non-drowsy for nausea, vomiting, dizziness. It's drug-free and has 100% natural oils. So I'm really intrigued by this. So again, you just rub it behind your earlobe. So I'm going to try it. And also if Grady seems to be a little queasy or nauseous, I will try it on him as well. My sister's birthday, like I mentioned, is this, it's actually on Friday, but we're celebrating it Sunday. So I got a card from Grady for my sister. And then I also got a card for my sister from myself and my husband. I got some Annie's Cheddar Bunny individual packs, great for on the go or for school. And then I also got these, have you guys heard of the ice water? It's like the ice, I think the name of it is ice. I actually am not a huge fan of those. I think they're okay, but Walmart came out with their own version. If it focuses, it's clear American ice. So I got the peach nectar, 0 calorie, and this one is Honeycrisp, I think. Honeycrisp apple. So these were 50 cents a piece, and I just figured I would try them. For 50 cents, why not? If they taste exactly like the ice ones, I'm not sure. I'm more about the flavor of it. Maybe I've just tried a few of the ice ones that I didn't like. But anyways, 50 cents. I'll let you guys know how they are, because if they're good, obviously I'll buy more. They did have other flavors, but these were just the 2 that appealed to me right off the bat. But anyways, guys, this is everything from Walmart, and I will share with you my next haul and then my meal plan for next week. Just keep in mind, Sunday and Monday, again, I'll be eating at my mom's, so there's not going to be any meal plan on my end for those days. Hey guys, so here is the second haul for this week. I'm also going to mention that I am going to go to a local farmer's market Saturday for, obviously, produce, because there's specific things there that I can get a better deal on that are organic. And locally grown, obviously. So I know a few of the things I'm going to get there are baby spinach, because you can get a huge bag of organic baby spinach there for like $2, and the bag is huge. I'm probably going to get some root vegetables, some fruit. So I'm going to get a lot of the produce-y things there, but this is the stuff I got from Price Chopper today. Today is Thursday, and this video will be going up on Friday. So at Price Chopper, I got a big thing of Shock Top for the barbecues this weekend. My dad asked if I could pick some up, so I just got a big thing. I don't even drink beer, but I just got it for whoever in my family wants to drink it. I got some Tropicana pineapple with coconut water, cocoa blends, juice, I guess. It looked really good. Some Stonyfield mixed berry smoothies for Grady until I can get to BJ's, where they have the 12-pack of these. They were actually on sale too, which was good. They were like $2.99, I think. I got some Caesar flavored Texas toast croutons. I actually had them at my mom's last week, and they're really good, this specific flavor. I got some ground chicken, because I'm going to do some chicken meatballs, a new recipe that I found on Pinterest that I'm going to try out. I got some bacon, because I'm going to make my BLT pasta salad, which is literally my favorite all-time cold salad of life. I will link it below. It is really easy and perfect for this time of year. I got some buttery crescent rolls to try a different recipe with, some Italian dressing and ranch, which is the sauce, or the, yeah, I guess you'd call it like the dressing for the BLT pasta salad. Here is the pasta for the pasta salad. I used the bow tie pasta. Cape Cod chips were on sale, 2 for $4, I believe. So I got sweet and spicy jalapeno, and then the Mediterranean for either, again, barbecues this weekend or just to have in the pantry cabinet for snacking. Shrimp cocktail, shrimp rings were buy one, get one. I think they were like $10.99 each. So I got both of these for $10.99, and the cocktail sauce is right in the middle. I'm actually going to bring one to my mom's on Sunday for my sister's birthday. It's like a little appetizer for anybody who wants any. I got a couple of the Cracker Barrel cheese dip and pretzels for Matt's, like a little snack for Matt. This one is pretzels with sharp cheddar. And this one is cracked black pepper Parmesan. Some lasagna noodles for a recipe that I'm going to make next week. It's a meatless lasagna, like spinach lasagna roll-up recipe. So I'll let you guys know how that turns out. And then I got a couple ice creamy things. So I got this Friendly's Signature Sundae chocolate fudge brownie ice cream thing. And then I got my one of my favorite ice cream bars, the Snickers ice cream bars. These are really, really good. Got a bunch of tomatoes for both salads as well as the BLT pasta salad, because I'll probably need at least 3 of these for that. And then I also got a bag of red onions for pasta salad, regular salad, or just cooking in general. These are really good to roast with veggies as well. But yeah, these are the groceries for the week, guys. I will share with you my meal plan. Alright guys, so meal plan for the week. One night I'm going to do the spinach lasagna roll-ups. It's a no-meat dish, so it just has spinach with cheese and marinara sauce. And then I'm going to make a salad on the side. I think I can find this on Pinterest, so I'll link it below. I'm going to do some spicy chicken meatballs, which is a new recipe as well, with that ground chicken over some sticky rice. And then I have some snow peas I'm going to saute up. And then one night I'm either going to make my egg roll in a bowl, I'll link that recipe below, or I'll make a ham and veggie fried rice. I think I have a video on that. So anything that I have videos on, I'll link them in the description box. I'm going to make the Olive Garden copycat chicken and gnocchi soup. I have the link for this. It's really, really good, and I'll link it. Some salad on the side, of course, breakfast or leftovers. And then Sunday is my sister's birthday. Monday is Memorial Day. I just have a little note to make the BLT pasta salad, which I already know that I have to make. I'll probably make this probably Saturday, because I might not have time Sunday, but either Saturday or Sunday I'll make this for Monday. And that is the meal plan for the week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a very safe and happy Memorial Day weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.